Okay, guys, so I'm laying down because my back really, really hurts, and so do my hips, and so do my knees. Just everything involved in walking really, really hurts. So quick update on my life. My cats, well, one of them, specifically my boy cat, he won't stop pissing everywhere. There's specifically a couple of spots, well, about 3 spots that he won't stop peeing. He used to not be able to stop peeing. Hi, baby. Hi. Um, she used to not. He used to not stop peeing on my bed, but he stopped that, which is good. But now he won't stop peeing in front of the door and on the floorboard where I drive. And in front of his litter box. He just won't stop peeing in those areas. I don't know what to do about it. I think maybe my next move will just be trying to get some sort of rubber mat for those areas. That way I can just clean it off, which is easier than cleaning the rugs. Because there is a couple of like rubberized mats in the areas that he's peeing in, so I just usually wipe them off or rinse them off best I can. But still, the floor is weakening as it is. It's literally like falling off slowly. The floors are getting much creakier and like, like cracking. And yeah, the walls are shifting. That's just, a factor of RV life. The ceiling is slowly getting more damage. I don't know where the leak's coming from, if there is a leak, if it's just me being paranoid. I don't know. But I don't know how to fix it at the moment. What I really need is a place to just park it and, have it repaired gradually by saving up money, because I won't be paying for gas or campgrounds or, whatever else from running the roads all the time. But that's still a long ways off. There's a few options, but they're a fair 1,000 miles away. So I have to travel to them. My plan looks so far like there are some free places to camp with electricity, and those have really been saving my life. And I go to Walmart, at least once a week, but my plan so far has been camp out, save up, then drive to the next place, stopping at Walmart along the way for a couple of days to, restock and take care of financial stuff, and then continue. Oh, today I'm so stressed. I just want to take a stress nap. They're real. So I might do that. But yeah, that's kind of, I did have my RV looked over today by a local mechanic. He said that there were some bolts loose or something that he could tighten, and then I asked him to switch out my license plate because it still had the Vermont one on it, because I kept forgetting to have it, switched over. But now my license plate is officially switched over. And he charged me $83. What the heck? I mean, pay him for his time, I suppose, but all I did was tighten some bolts and change my license plates, which if I had the experience and the tools, I would just be doing that myself. But unfortunately I don't. He was still very nice though. But there is a grinding or a susurration, a rubbing in my right tire, my passenger side front tire. is slightly looser than it should be, and it makes a rubbing sound, and I'm afraid it's going to start eating my tire again. Dang it. But yeah, that's pretty much how that's going. My fold-out step, I can't use that anymore because it's like cracking and breaking the floor every time I do. I'm sorry, I just can't stop yawning. And the step stool that I was using to get in and out of my camper ended up breaking, so I ended up having to pick up another one for like $18 at Walmart. I mean, it sucks that it costs so much, but you know, whatever. At least I now have a little step stool. Yeah. So I've just been trying to take it easy. I did join a new D&D group. So far it's been okay. It's been a little chaotic because I can never remember turn order. And so yeah, and I'm really rusty on the rules, but it's fun. I'm a half orc, half dwarf bard, and I ended up getting put in the fighter's backpack. I'm not very useful, but I mean, I did end up healing him back from death saves at one point. Like, he would be rolling death saves because he got by an owl bear. And if anybody knows what that is, they're pretty brutal. They're literally a bear, but like an owl. Like panda bears, koala bears, polar bears, brown bears, are all types of bears, but they all look different. Imagine a bear with feathers and an owl head. Yeah, that's an owl bear. And so I was in his backpack, and I was like, oh no. So I just kind of started healing him so that he wouldn't die off. That was the most useful I was. Awesome. But yeah, I am going to take a nap now, I think. I end up eating a lot less now. Like maybe 2 meals a day. Like breakfast and then kind of a mid-afternoon. Today, for example, I used a can of chicken and a Knorr brand flavored rice mix thing to kind of make myself a rice dish. So I got meat and I got, a filler. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more packets. I don't want to buy cans anymore because they're really heavy, but you can buy like pouches of tuna and chicken and that kind of thing. Yesterday I had tuna fish, but I put a little ranch cup, like from Domino's. I had a spare ranch cup, so I was like, welp. And I put the ranch cup in the tuna fish and ate that tuna fish sandwiches, and it was delicious. So, hot tip, ranch dressing can substitute mayonnaise in those types of sandwiches, and it is delicious. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna end the video here and go take a nap. Bye.